No, you selling or buying BTC, I'm on the selling side ng Bitcoin. Very open naman ako sa inyo kasi nga yan yung mga nabodega natin. So I'm taking some profits. So I'm not buying. Siguro ang gagawin ko, my strategy is this I'm gonna clear muna itong mga take profit ko. Once I reach a certain level na nakapag-take profit na ako, I have enough USDT, then I will analyze again overall market trend. If pwede pa ba tayo mag-trade, pwede na ba tayo mag-bodega. So for now, we are focused on taking profit. So once na medyo maluwag na, we have enough USDT, sige, analyze natin ulit. Overall market kabuuan po, hindi lang Bitcoin, US market, i-analyze natin ulit. Maganda pa ba? Pwede pa ba tayo mag-trade? O baka naman mas maganda na mag-futures ka na lang tayo kasi pwede ka na mag-short. We don't know So you have to understand that in charting, every candle is a piece of the puzzle. So pwedeng mag-iba yung basa mo after 1 week, depende do sa mga mabubuo na mga kandila. Follow for more Tito Moves.